Hello children, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions. So let's start. The first question is carefully observe and answer the given pattern. Children, here we have been given the pattern and we will observe it very carefully and let's see its correct answer. Let's start from the beginning. 8 3s are 24. If we add 2 and 4, we get 6. So, we will follow the pattern when we will increase 3. Just like 33, here between 2 and 4, 6 will be placed. In the same way, in the third row, 8 multiplied by 333 means there are 3 3s. So, here we will place 2 6 between 2 and 4. In the same way, 8 multiplied by 3333 means 4 3s. Then we will put 3 6 between 2 and 4. So, this is the correct one. So, let's see which option is correct. Is it option A? No. Now, option B. It matches with the answer. So, we put a tick here. Now, the next question is, how many lines of symmetry are there in the given floor tile? Now, let's find the lines of symmetry. Children, lines of symmetry divide any figure in two equal parts. So, let's see how many lines of symmetry are there. First of all, there is 1, then 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 lines of symmetry. That means this floor tile can be divided into two equal parts in 4 ways. So, 4 is the correct answer. So, let's see children which option is correct. Is it option A? 2? No. Now, let's move towards option B. 3? Again no. Now, we will go to the option C. 4. Yes, this is the correct one. So, we have put a tick here. Now, the next question is choose the option which shows the line of symmetry of the shape. Here, we have been given a shape and we have to find which line divides the given shape into two equal parts. That will become a line of symmetry. We will start from option A. Here is the line. Is it dividing into two equal parts? No. So this is not the correct one. Now move towards option B. Now is this line is dividing into two equal parts? No. That's why we will go towards option C. Here, this line is dividing the given shape into two equal parts. So, this will be the line of symmetry. So, we have put a tick here. Now, the next question is complete the given pattern. Here, in this question, we have been given a pattern 12, then 36. How does it come? Do you know? Can you answer this question? Let's see. 12 3s are 36. In this way, here is 36. So, we will follow the same pattern. That's why we will multiply 36 by 3 and we get 108. In the same way, we will multiply 108 with 3 and we get 324. So, this is the pattern. Now, let's see which option is correct. Is it option A, 72 and 108? No, it's incorrect. Now, let's move to option B, 108 and 324. Yes, because we have calculated this answer. That's why let's put a tick here. It's time for homework and your homework is You have to revise all the questions that we have discussed today and write them in your notebook. That's all for today. Keep learning. Thank you.